guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about 5-step facial routine that helps in skin brightening, anti-aging and in making your skin rosy and pink during this winter season. So this facial routine has beetroot as its main ingredient. So it's a beetroot facial which boosts blood circulation, deeply hydrates your skin. It also treats dark spots and acne scars, and this facial is best to remove wrinkles and fine lines really fast. So this facial routine have 5 steps. Step 1 is a dead skin removal facial scrub. The second step is a skin brightening facial massage cream. The third one is a dark spot removal face mask. Fourth one is a skin tightening beetroot ice cubes. And the fifth step is a super hydrating and moisturizing face cream. So yeah, now without further ado, let's begin with this facial routine and see how to prepare all these steps easily at home. So to prepare all these steps, you just gonna need 1 beetroot. So here I'm just taking this beetroot and now with the help of a peeler, I'm peeling its skin off. So now after peeling its skin off, now we have to cut the beetroot into small pieces. So now after cutting it into small pieces, now we have to blend it to make a smooth paste. And I'm just putting all these beetroot pieces into a blending jar. So now after putting all the beetroot pieces into this blending jar, now I'm just adding rose water into it. And here I'm just adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of rose water into it so that it makes a smooth paste. And after adding the rose water, now we have to just blend it really nicely so that it makes a smooth and a fine paste. And now once it's nicely blended, the beetroot paste will look something like this, and we'll use this beetroot paste into our facial. And now with the help of a strainer, I'm just straining this beetroot paste to take out all the beetroot juice out of it. And after straining this beetroot paste, your homemade beetroot juice is ready and it will look something like this. And we'll also use this beetroot juice into our facial. So now firstly, let's move on to the first step of this facial routine, which is homemade facial scrub. So to prepare this face scrub, we firstly gonna need that beetroot paste which we just made. And here I'm just taking approx 2 teaspoons of that beetroot paste into a clean bowl. Now after that, you're gonna need sugar. And here I'm just adding approx 1 teaspoon of sugar into it. Now after the sugar, we are gonna need honey. And here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of honey into it. Now after adding the honey, just mix all these 3 ingredients really nicely so that they mix into a smooth paste. But do not over mix it so that the sugar dissolves. We do not want the sugar to dissolve. And after mixing them well, your homemade beetroot scrub is ready and it will look something like this. And we'll just use this scrub to exfoliate our skin and to remove all the dead skin, blackheads, whiteheads from your skin. It also deeply cleanses and nourishes your skin by scrubbing out the dead skin cells, bacteria, dirt and unwanted oil from your skin. So just take a little amount of this scrub onto your fingertips and gently scrub it in circular motion for 3 to 4 minutes. And after that, just let it sit there for around 2 or 3 minutes and then wash your skin with normal water. Now let's just move on to the second step of this facial routine, which is a facial massage gel. And to prepare this gel, we firstly gonna need beetroot juice which we just made. And here I'm just taking approx 2 tablespoons of this beetroot juice into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding approx 1 tablespoon of this aloe vera gel into it. And after adding aloe vera gel, now you're gonna need honey. And here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of honey into it. Now after adding the honey, just mix and mix everything really nicely so that it forms into a gel type consistency and makes a really smooth and a creamy gel. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade facial massage gel is ready and will look something like this. So this gel is highly moisturizing and hydrating. It will deeply moisturize and nourish your skin and will also help you in clearing out your skin, removing all your dark spots, acne scars, pimples, unevenness and skin discoloration from your skin. So just take a little amount of this facial gel onto your fingertips and just massage your skin with this gel for around 5 to 10 minutes. And after massaging, just rinse it off using normal water. And now let's move on to the third step of this facial routine, which is a face mask. So to prepare this face mask, I'm firstly taking 1 tablespoon of this beetroot paste into a clean bowl. After that, you're gonna need rice flour. And here I'm adding approx 1.5 teaspoons of rice flour into it. Next up, you're gonna need honey, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Now after adding the honey, we are going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. And now after adding the glycerin, I'm just going to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other nicely. And once everything is nicely mixed, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the milk. So here I'm just adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk into it. And I'm just adding the milk to smoothen out the consistency of this face mask so that it's easier to apply, as well as to make this mask of really smooth consistency. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade rice and beetroot face mask is ready, and it will look something like this. This homemade face mask should be of medium consistency and should be really smooth and lump free, as I'm showing you in the video. So this homemade rice and beetroot face mask is full of antioxidants, anti-aging properties, as well as skin brightening and skin tightening properties into it. So just apply an even and thick layer of this face mask all over your face and neck, or you can even use this face mask all over your body. And after applying a nice layer of this face mask all over your skin, just leave it like that for around 15 to 20 minutes, and after that just rinse it off using normal water and pat dry your skin. Now let's see how to prepare the fourth step, which is the beetroot ice cubes. And to prepare the ice cubes, you firstly gonna need beetroot juice, and here I've just took approx 1 cup of beetroot juice in a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need milk, and here I'm adding approx half a cup of milk into it. After adding the milk, just give a good mix to both these ingredients. Now after that, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding approx 1 tablespoon of glycerin into it. And after adding the glycerin, just mix and mix so that they all combine with each other well. And after mixing them well, you're gonna need an ice tray, and here I'm just filling this ice tray with this mixture. And after filling the ice tray, just put this ice tray into the freezer and just freeze it until it makes into an ice cubes. So now after some time, your ice cubes will be ready, and they will look something like this. So just take out required amount of ice cube and massage it onto your skin. These beetroot ice cubes really help you in fading away all your wrinkles and fine lines. It tightens your skin and will close all the open pores. And now lastly, let's see how to prepare this homemade beetroot face cream. And to prepare this cream, I'm firstly taking 1.5 teaspoon of this beetroot juice into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need glycerin, and here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glycerin into it. After adding the glycerin, now we are going to need vitamin E oil or the vitamin E oil, and here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of this vitamin E oil or the vitamin E oil into it. And after adding this oil, now we are going to mix it really nicely so that all these oil combine with this beetroot juice. Now after mixing it well, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel, and here I'm just adding almost 2 tablespoons of this aloe vera gel into it. And now after adding the aloe vera gel, I'm just mixing everything really nicely to make a smooth and a fluffy cream. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade beetroot cream is ready, and it will look something like this. So this is a gel based cream, so it looks like a jelly, it looks like a red color jelly, but it's a beautiful cream to treat your skin and to make your skin really clear, bright, and give you that pinkish glow. So the consistency of this cream should be medium and should be really creamy, as I'm showing you in the video. Now let me tell you how to store this cream for best results. So you can store this cream in any airtight container. I'm using this small jar container to store this cream, and I'm just putting all this cream into this glass jar, and I'm just going to store it at room temperature for about 15 to 20 days. And if you're making this cream in summers, then you should keep this cream in refrigerator, and then you can store it for up to 1 month. So this beetroot cream gives a perfect smoothness to the skin. It also helps to keep the moisture content for longer period, and with the regular use of this cream, it gives you that perfect pinkish glowing skin, and especially in winters this cream works best on your skin because it has beetroot, another moisturizing ingredient which prevents your skin from dryness and dullness and gives a perfect texture to your skin. It also prevents wrinkles, fine lines and aging spots and gives you an even toned skin. And if you have dark spots, patchy skin, darkness or pigmentation marks on your skin, then this cream will also help to reduce that. So this cream is a very good cream to treat your skin problems and to make your skin really bright, glowing and even toned. So just take adequate amount of this cream and apply it onto your skin, and you also have to massage it gently so that this cream goes deeper into your skin and gives you best results. So just apply this beetroot night cream on your face and neck as a daily moisturizer and leave it overnight. So that's it for this 5-step beetroot facial routine. It's a very good facial, especially for the winter season, as it deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin. This facial routine is best for skin brightening, anti-aging and to remove the dark spots and the acne scars, and it will also make your skin really glowing, clear, evens out your skin and gives you that pinky glowing skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.